Good morning. First of all, I have a brand new, never used 8-inch 3-jaw self-centering lathe chuck for sale. It's mounted to a backing plate machined to fit. It's a 2 1/4 by 8 threads per inch. So 2 1/4 inch diameter spindle by 8 threads. And I bought this and machined it for a specific job, and all of a sudden I'm about 80 years old and the job never got done. Like I said, it's new, never used. Now if you look, you can't see it probably, but if you look real close, I put this, I sprayed it down with an anti-rust agent and put it in a plastic bag for storage. And it does have some stains on it, very minor stains. I think, as you can see here, it is a Char brand, okay, and it has reversible jaws. You can inside, outside, and the best thing about it is that, you know, for a $300+ chuck and backing plate, it really does do a marvelous job. Let me see if I can get all right, we're gonna see if I can make you dizzy here. And this is the run out, and we're talking about 1,000th. And if you want to diddle with the 3 pinions for the chuck key, you can actually get a little better than that. This is a piece of 1-inch solid carbide in here, so you know, that's better than most. Okay, now don't forget, this backing plate, the mounting, was machined on my lathe for my lathe. So I cannot guarantee you're going to get that same performance. I really don't know. But nonetheless, there it is. And I'm going to list this thing local, and hopefully I can get this video on Facebook Marketplace, but if not, I'll have to go with eBay, and they're terrible pricing. Thank you.